Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Went to Aldi. Obviously, I have everything laid out. The kids are already putting away the non-keto foods. If you don't know this already, Aldi has mangoes for 39 cents. Not keto, but my kids like them, so got them a mango. Alright, the spinach was $1.29. I got 2 bags of pork rinds. I love the hot and spicy. They're one of my favorites. These are 79 cents each. They have this on sale. 5 pounds of ground beef. It is 75 27 fat, or 73 lean, 27 fat. This was $9.95. I usually get the 80-20, but this was more for my buck. I got this asparagus, this Michigan grown asparagus. This was like $2.95. I got just a bag of baby carrots, 79 cents. Ignore the milk, it was $1.20. They have these cheese crisps at Aldi, which were $1.79. Very excited about this because I absolutely love Parmesan cheese crisps. They have Asiago and Parmesan, so I grabbed 2 Parmesan and 1 of the Asiagos. I got 2 bags of the garden salad, which were 89 cents each. Picked up one of these stir-in paste gingers, which was, I'm not sure, it was around $2, but that's for when I make egg roll in a bowl. I really liked this Italian dry salami. Last time I picked it up, this was a little bit over $5. Last time I got the spicy, but avocados right now are 89 cents each, so I got 4 of those. Like I said, every time I go, I always get the turkey or beef sticks. They only had turkey this time. These are like $3.49 each. They had the protein 2Os again, which they were like $1. I like these because there's 1 carb for the entire bottle and there's 15 grams of protein. So if you're looking to get your protein in, these are really tasty. Make sure you shake them up though, I advise. 3 things of eggs because I plan on doing an egg fast with Aaron Does the Keto this week. 2 things of pork sausage because I really liked that pork sausage pizza that I made with the crust. I got these. Oh, I don't know how much these were. These were 97 cents. I can't remember. This is like $1 something. These were $1.20, and I thought that they were a really good buy because they are 1 carb for 2 tablespoons. This is the roasted garlic ranch, and then this one is the buffalo wing ranch. Strawberries were on sale for $1.19, so I got 3 packs of strawberries, and these strawberries are actually pretty big. Their chicken was on sale for $1.99 a pound, so this was $5.95 for all of these chicken tenderloins. I got some cherry grapes. They were $1.17. Blueberries were on sale for $1.30. I don't know how much the baby dills were, but I got them because I like them. And I forgot to put this tuna fish with the other tuna fish. Got all these tuna fish. These were all 69 cents. These are in oil. I don't really care if they're in oil or if they're in water, to be honest. I used to never eat them if they were in oil, but I don't care anymore. So I got those. Cucumbers were 49 cents each, so I got 2 of those. 2 packs of these Never Ending spinach and feta chicken sausages. These have 1 carb per serving, and they were $1.29. They were pretty cheap. 2 cans of tomato paste, which were 39 cents. I use these in my chili, which I need to make this week. And this was 49 cents, this ranch salad packaging. I thought I got 2. I did. I don't know where the other one went. Somewhere. I don't want to throw it away on accident, so I need to look for that. And then radishes were 54 cents each. So that's what I got this week at Aldi. And I'm taking the kids to go see Detective Pikachu, so I need to hurry up and put all this stuff away because we have to be there at 2:30 and it is 1:54. Okay, gotta go.